What's up guys, this is also Poxbar again. Today we are going to review Spark 5 Pro. It's the new smartphone from the Spark series. So without further waiting, let's get into it. In the network, it will use GSM, SPA, and LTE. On the 3G, it will be used. It will use HCDPA 850 to 90 to 2100, and for 4G it will be used LTE. For the speed, 3G will use HCPA 42.2, about 5.76 megabytes per second, and for 4G LTE it will use LTE Cat 4, about 50 megabyte per second. Sorry for my language, it's more coffee. At the launch date and the design it's about the dimensions of the mobiles: 164.7 to 76.3 to 8.8 millimeter. It will have dual SIM with a dual standby. It will come in 4 colors: Ice Jadeite, Spark Orange, Vacation Blue, Mystic Green, and Mystic Green. Wow, those names of the colors are so strange, man. The display, it will use IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with a 16 million colors, and the size of the screen will be 6.6 inch with 90.2 screen to body ratio. And the screen resolution we use is 720 with 160 pixels, with the ratio will be 20 to 9 pixels and 25.6 pixels per inch. As I said on the beginning, it will use Android 10, which is iOS user interface 6.0 that is based on the Android. The chipset is MediaTek MT6761 Helio 822 FinFET process 22nm. Wow, this is so good, man. Speaking. And the speed of the CPU will be octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex A53. And about the graphics, it will use Power VR GE8320, and the storage will be 64 GB and 4 GB of RAM. The real camera, about the cameras, so where the big deal is, the main camera will be 16 megapixels with focal length of 1.8. Can't believe this, with a focal length of 1.8. It will have a camera for wide shots that will be 2 megapixels of sensor on the very right, and the 2 megapixels of depth of the depth sensor. It will not have the macro one, and it will have 0.3 megapixel main camera with low light. The rear camera features to have the OLED flash and to use Face ID. About the video recording to use 1080 pixels with 30 frames per second, and the selfie camera will be 16 megapixels. The selfie and the rear camera and the main camera on the reel are all the same megapixels, so you can take whatever you want, but I would probably need those specs of the rear camera. They are so good. Both cameras will have the OLED flash and HDR. About the battery, there is nothing new. It's 5000 mAh. Non-removable sound jack will not be available. This is the first Tecno to remove the jack, and we will not have this year. We will not have the campus sensor. We all know that, and the price of the mobile will be about $140. Thanks guys. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. It will be better if you share with your friends. Thanks. See you in another vid.